Hi guys, Lady Lux here with Ecto-1 by Nightwolf. This was a challenge lock sent to me by Brandito. Gonna try to pick it on camera. I picked it off camera. It's pretty fun. Now I'm gonna try to pick it on camera. It's made out of an 1100 body. It's pretty nice looking. The etching, I'll show you when I'm done. Key is mummied, so I'm not gonna take off the tape or anything and check it out. We're just gonna go ahead and try to pick it. It's in an 1100, which I can't stand. You guys know that. But I was successful on picking it earlier, and I figured maybe I would just go ahead and try it again. Make sure I got it reset, so I don't have the key out to test it on the key. But okay, gotta click out of 1. Hard to get to the pins on this one with this pick. Click out of 2 and some core movement, and oh, I think that's 3. I think that's all there is. Maybe 4, 3 or 4. I don't know. Back to the beginning. Get under that pin. Keep sliding off the pin because I'm not really able to get in there. All right, let's see. Oh, there we go. Got a clicky and another little bit of core movement. Oh, there you go, another click. There we go. Not really care. I don't really care for the 1100s. You guys know that. So I have a little bit of a rough time checking around in there. This is Ecto-1. I don't know if I should go ahead and gut it. I guess I'm going to. Let's do it, guys. All right, turn the core back. And let me get my kit. Take this screw out of here. Whoa. All right. Okay. Geez, sorry about that. that was like terrible trying to get these pins out. The spring tension, there just was none. So they were just kind of stuck in the chamber. They did not want to come out at all. But I've got to say, I am just loving these pins. They are beautiful. Let me hold them up for a close-up here. They definitely deserve a close-up. Just beautiful. It looks like this is the, in chambers 1 and 3 were the regular spools that come in the 1100, although these could be modified ones. I'm not really sure. I would have to look at one, like the factory one, and see. But yeah, I mean, these spools are just amazing. And then there's all these trap, overset trap pins here. I've got some just standard key pin, 2 serrated, and 3 of these just traps. They're crazy looking. It's really amazing work. Beautifully done challenge lock. Oh, here's the etching on it. It says Ecto-1. And then we've got the ghost on the back. It's so cool. So cool. And again, that was Nightwolf. Nightwolf challenge lock. Very nice. Oh, here's the crazy bitting of the key on that one. Let me pull it up against the light there. Yeah. Really cool challenge lock. In the worst, my least favorite type of lock, but it was a lot of fun to pick. So there it is, Ecto-1 by Nightwolf.